The Dubb Outlook add-in is a shortcut that allows users to share their videos directly inside of Outlook the same way other integrations work. You can get the Dubb Outlook add-in by visiting the add-in store directly in your Microsoft Outlook account and searching for Dubb, or search Google for the Dubb Outlook add-in and install directly there from the Microsoft Store. Once installed, it will give you access to your library through this Dubb icon. Simply click the Dubb icon and you'll have library access to all of your videos here. You'll also have the ability to launch the desktop recorder right from here as well. You can search for your videos by name and have them organized by tags so that you can pull up your video library more easily. When you're ready to share videos, you'll notice the same sharing options that exist on the website itself, including adding an email for tracking, so you get to see when this person is engaging with your video, and adding their first name as personalization text to the video thumbnail itself. You'll also notice the option here to optimize this for Outlook, meaning removing the animation. So when I insert this now, you can see there's some animation in the thumbnail, and if I insert this with optimization, it's going to remove the animation. You can see it's a still thumbnail. If you were unable to install the Outlook add-in for permission reasons or anything else, this is not a requirement. It's simply a shortcut into your library within the Outlook account. You can also use the copy and paste method that we've talked about as well. See you at the next video.